In the rapidly evolving world of e-commerce, staying ahead of the competition requires innovative tools and strategies. Enter HubCart, a groundbreaking AI-powered platform designed to revolutionize the online selling space. Created by Robert Navi, a veteran in the e-commerce industry, HubCart promises to be the ultimate all-in-one solution for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their operations, boost sales, and achieve unprecedented success. HubCart is an advanced e-commerce AI hub that integrates various tools and features to simplify and automate the most time-consuming and skill-intensive tasks. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or a complete newbie, HubCart provides everything you need to run a successful online business with minimal effort. From order processing to copywriting and graphic design, HubCart's AI capabilities handle it all, allowing users to focus on growing their business and maximizing profits. HubCart leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence to automate numerous aspects of e-commerce, including product listing, customer service, and marketing campaigns. This ensures that users can save valuable time and resources while maintaining high-quality operations. HubCart offers extensive training resources to help users get the most out of the platform. This includes foundational knowledge, tactical guides, and strategic insights, ensuring that even those new to e-commerce can quickly become proficient. Robert Navi, the mastermind behind HubCart, has over a decade of experience in the e-commerce industry. His journey began with the launch of his first Shopify store, where he quickly gained recognition for his ability to drive traffic and convert sales through innovative strategies. This led to the creation of the first dropshipping training course, which played a pivotal role in shaping the e-commerce landscape. With HubCart, Robert aims to lead another revolution in the industry by harnessing the power of AI. He believes that AI is a game changer, capable of transforming the way businesses operate and compete in the digital marketplace. By providing an all-in-one solution that is accessible and easy to use, HubCart empowers entrepreneurs to achieve their goals and reach new heights of success. Thanks for watching.